Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix activation required in GTA 5. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do here is to try and relaunch the game. So a simple relaunch, or first simply relaunch your game and then check if the error persists, and if that is occurring due to a minor glitch, it will be fixed simply by restarting the game. And the next, what you can do is to update the game. So make sure that your game is up to date and it is running on the latest version. So if it is updated or outdated rather, you may experience multiple issues, including the activation required error. So simply update it and then check if this trick worked. And then next, what you can do is entering Rockstar activation code manually. So in case it has some issues with the activation code you have entered, you might encounter this error. So just try entering the code manually in the GTA. So here are the steps. So first, just click onto the link below, which is in the description. And I'm just going to put it right here, down below, so you can just check that on there. Then after that, download and install the Rockstar Games launcher, and then just open up the Rockstar Games Social Club account and then sign into it. And click onto your profile or avatar on the top right side and select redeem code and enter the activation code manually. And once verified and checked, just select redeem and then relaunch the game. And then lastly, what you can do is to use a VPN service. So if the error still persists, you can try using a different IP address with the help of VPN service and then check if the error is resolved. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.